Now here the question is, find the integral values of k for which system of equation possesses solution and find these solutions. Now this is cos inverse of x and this is sin inverse of y whole square. Now what we'll do is we'll take this as a and we'll take this as b. So what we are given is we are given a plus b equals k pi square by 4 and we are given a into b equals pi to the power 4 upon 16, where a is cos inverse of x and b is sin inverse of y whole square. Now clearly range of cos inverse of x is from 0 to pi and range of sin inverse of y will be from 0 to pi square by 4. So this expression k pi square by 4, it should be greater than 0, which implies that value of k should be greater than 0. So k is an integer which is greater than 0. Now first we need to find value of k. And for that what we'll do is we'll find this a by eliminating b. So we can write this as a plus, now it will be pi to the power 4 upon 16a minus k pi square by 4 equals 0. So we'll write a square minus k pi square by 4 into a plus pi to the power 4. We'll solve this quadratic equation to find the value of a. So value of a will be k pi square by 4 plus minus under root of k square pi to the power 4 upon 16 minus 4 pi to the power 4 upon 16 whole divided by 2. Now what we'll do is we'll take pi square by 4 common. So we can write this a as pi square by 8 and k plus minus under root of k square minus 4. Now this equation must have real roots. That means the value of k square minus 4 should be greater than or equal to 0. That is, value of k should be greater than or equal to 2, provided that k is a positive number. So one condition that we get is this value of k should be greater than or equal to 2. Now this a is nothing but a is cos inverse of x. So we can write cos inverse of x as pi square by 8 k plus minus under root of k square minus 4, and the range of cos inverse of x is from 0 to pi. So this value, it should be less than or equal to pi. Now we can write this as k plus minus under root of k square minus 4 should be less than or equal to 8 upon pi, or we can write this as under root of k square minus 4 should be less than equal to 8 upon pi minus k. Now we'll square it, we'll get k square minus 4 is less than equal to 64 upon pi square plus k square minus 16k upon pi. Now here k square will cancel. So we'll get 16k upon pi is less than equal to 64 upon pi square plus 4. Now we'll multiply and divide with pi by 16. So we'll get k is less than or equal to 4 upon pi plus pi upon 4. Now 4 upon pi is 1.274 and pi by 4 is 0.785. So this value is 1.274 plus 0.785, which is nearly 2.059. So the condition that we are getting is this k has to be greater than or equal to 2, but less than or equal to 2 point something. So this equation will have a solution when the value of k is simply 2. Now if the value of k is 2, we can simply write cos inverse of x as pi square by 8 into 2 and then plus minus 0. So x will be cos pi square by 4. And if we'll put cos inverse x as pi square by 4, we can find the value of y also. So pi square by 4 into sin inverse y whole square is equal to pi to the power 4 upon 16. So here pi square will cancel. This 4 will cancel. We'll get sin inverse y as plus or minus pi by 2. In that case, value of y will be simply plus or minus 1. So this equation will have two solutions when the value of k is 2, and the solutions are x equals cos pi square by 4 and y equals to 1, and the other solution is when x equals cos pi square by 4 and y equals minus 1.